Hello everyone and welcome to Now How. Today I have a truly exciting and practical Excel feature to share with you, the translate function. So here you can see that we have the customer feedback in English language, and if we want to translate it into some other language, how we can do this, let's learn. So here in this cell I will write equal translate. In the syntax of the translate function, you can see that we have three things. The first thing is the text that we want to translate. Second is the source language, that in which language we have the text. And thirdly, we have the target language, that in which language we want to translate. So first I am going to select this text. I'll go to this first cell and then press Ctrl Shift right arrow and then the down arrow. After this, I'll select the source language, and you can see that the languages are present with some codes. So in inverted commas, I'll write EN for English. You can scroll it down to select the language, or if you know the code, you can directly type in. Next, I have to provide the target language. So for example, if I want to translate it into Hindi, then I will write HI in inverted commas. After this, I will close this bracket and press enter. And now you can see that the Excel is translating it into Hindi. Please provide your feedback in the comments, because I don't know is it correct or not. Another related function is the detect language tool. So here in the cell I will write equal detect language and then select this text, close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that it is providing me the code HI, which means that this text is written in Hindi language. Another thing that we can do is that if I write equal and then use the function translate, after this I'll just provide this text, close this bracket and press enter. You can see that it just simply translates it into English, because the machine language on my computer is English. So I don't need to specify the languages. It automatically detects the language and translate into the language of my computer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.